Hello there, welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. I welcome all my subscribers and returnees. Thank you so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's channel again. Now let's finish this dress. We're gonna continue and finish this dress, okay? I went ahead and did the front binding for the strap. Okay, so this is the front. I did the binding for the straps, and I'm gonna walk you through the back how I did the front. Okay, and also I've gathered the ruffles and pinned it to the bottom of the dress, but as I said, I'm not going to take you to the machine. I'm going to stitch it all by myself and be back. Now the back of the dress, I pinned the right side of a piece of fabric the same width like I used for the strap. Okay, I pinned it to the wrong side of the dress, the right side of the piece to the wrong side of the dress. I'm going to stitch 5/8 and then bring it to the front. I'll edge stitch after I finish, and then I'll bring it to the front and finish it up. Okay, and because the same color is hard to see, and this is how it's going to look like when I'm done. Okay, there, I hope you can see it. So I think that's it. I'll be right back. Hold on. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, the gathering is all done and pressed out. There. Now, the top, after I finish, I make sure the center back, I secure it. Excuse me. After I put the string in there, okay, I make sure I made it even, and then I secure it at the center back. Now when I take off my pin and I open it up, there we go. So there, and that's my tie that I'll tie in the front. So this is the way I did it, and then I'll tie it at the front. Okay, hold on. This is a long string. There we go. Okay, the camera doesn't do it justice. It looks so darker. So this is it, and this is the back, and the whole thing is done. Okay, so today is short and sweet. I'm all done with this style 2303. It's all done. Now I had these two patterns that I'm thinking of. Okay, this is so beautiful. I think I've had this for a long time. And then this is a reversible skirt. Okay, in a flat form and in a pencil cut form. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this. And this is Simplicity 7118. Simplicity 7118. Okay, most of the time I tell you guys that my patterns are from way back. I don't even know. I think I have about 500 between 400 and 500 pattern pieces. I've been buying them since from in the 80s. So some are, a few of them are new, maybe a year old or so, but most of them I've been buying patterns since from 1980s. Okay, so this one, as I said, 7118, and it's two different style: flare, reversible wraparound, and a pencil cut wraparound pencil, or pencil wraparound skirt. Okay, so this is the end of the video, as I'm mumbling all over the place. It is done. Happy sewing, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week, as I said. Bye. Thank you.